In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in ClickUp. Accidentally delete a task, a list, or a document, don't worry. ClickUp includes a built-in trash area that acts like a safety net, so you can bring things back without starting from scratch. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips to make sure you restore the right item with confidence. First, open your ClickUp account and head into your workspace. You can use the web app or the desktop app. This process is the same in both. Once you're in, look to your profile area, typically shown as your avatar or initials. It's usually located in the lower left corner of the interface. Click that to open your account menu. Inside that menu, you'll find an option labeled Trash. This is where ClickUp stores items you've deleted for a limited time before they're permanently removed. Go ahead and click Trash to open the recovery view. In the Trash view, you'll see a list of deleted items such as tasks, subtasks, lists, folders, and even docs, depending on your permissions. Each item generally includes helpful details like its original location and when it was deleted. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific item you want to bring back. If you see multiple items with similar names, pay attention to the original location and the deletion date to avoid restoring the wrong one. This small check can save time later. Once you've found the right item, hover over it to reveal the action menu, which appears as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the options for that item and then choose Restore. ClickUp will place the item back in its original location whenever possible. If the original space or folder has changed or is no longer available, ClickUp will restore it to the nearest available location so you can reorganize it from there. A few quick notes to keep in mind. The trash retains items only for a limited period, after which they're permanently deleted and can't be recovered. Also, depending on your role and permissions, you may only see items you have access to. Interface labels can vary slightly between versions, but the general path, profile menu to trash, remains consistent. And that's it. Open your account, click your profile, head into trash, find the item, and use the 3 dots to restore it. Simple, fast, and incredibly helpful when you need to undo a deletion.